Hi everyone! Are you ready to learn how to talk about prices? Would you like to be able to go clothes shopping in Germany one day? Without further ado, let's have a look at today's vocabulary first. As usual, I will give you the singular and plural versions of all items here. Please try to remember their grammatical gender as well. This is going to be very important later. Das Kleid. Das Kleid. Die Kleider. Die Kleider. Der Pullover. Der Pullover. Die Pullover. Die Pullover. Die Hose. Die Hose. Die Hosen. Die Hosen. Das Hemd. Das Hemd. Die Hemden. Die Hemden. Die Uhr. Die Uhr. Right, it's the same Uhr as in telling the time. Die Uhren. Die Uhren. Die Jacke. Die Jacke. Die Jacken. Die Jacken. Der Schuh. Der Schuh. Die Schuhe. Die Schuhe. You will usually only buy shoes in pairs, so I recommend you to study the plural. Der Hut. Der Hut. Die Hüte. Die Hüte. And die Mütze. Die Mütze. Die Mützen. Die Mützen. Okay, here they are one more time in a concise overview. Please grab your pen and paper and note down. Das Kleid, der Pullover, die Hose, das Hemd, die Jacke, die Uhr, die Mütze, der Hut und der Schuh. Since you have studied the numbers already, we can go straight to our exercises. But before that, we should first learn to ask the question before we go about giving the answers. When we want to inquire about a price, the German noun is der Preis hier. We can either ask, was kostet das? Was kostet das? Or alternatively, wie viel kostet das? Wie viel kostet das? Both questions are equally correct and used in daily life. Perfect! Now let's use it. Please help me translate the dialogue between these two ladies here. Try to spell out the numbers in letters to practice them better. Kann ich helfen? Kann ich helfen? Ja, bitte. Ja, bitte. Wie viel kostet das Kleid? Wie viel kostet das Kleid? Das Kleid kostet 39 Euro. Das Kleid kostet 39 Euro. Und was kostet die Jacke? Und was kostet die Jacke? Die Jacke kostet 45 Euro. Die Jacke kostet 45 Euro. Und was kostet der Hut? Und was kostet der Hut? Der Hut kostet 15 Euro. Der Hut kostet 15 Euro. Okay, ich nehme sie. Okay, ich nehme sie. Was kostet das insgesamt? Was kostet das insgesamt? Das kostet insgesamt 99 Euro. Das kostet insgesamt 99 Euro. Now you can shop yourself an entire outfit in Germany if you like. For more day-to-day activities, and if you would like to find out how the German accusative case works, the next lesson will tell you all about it. See you there!